Hello and welcome to 100 Hours of Healing. I'm Moana Schwertzig, a co-creator of this wonderful organization, Whole Self Unity. We are a 501c3 non-profit organization, and our mission is fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatments. We are in our annual fundraiser, 100 Hours of Healing, which will go on through the end of the year. We have several presentations available for you through this time. A small $5 donation, you can gain access to one full presentation. And for a $50 donation, you can gain access to all of our 100 Hours of Healing 2022 presentations. We are looking forward to helping more people this year and hope you will consider donating today. Thank you. I am also a practitioner for this wonderful organization. I'm giving a presentation on influences of our food choices. As a nutrition coach, my main goal is to support you with lifelong changes to your diet habits so you can get on with living your best and healthiest life. In this presentation, I will talk about health and wellness and their definition. What do they even mean? So many times these words are thrown around today. And how diet and disease are related. How obesity, heart disease, and cancer are related. And how our food choices do make a difference. And I will give it some options on how to make some good food choices. So I hope you can join me. The link for the full presentation will be in the comments below. Also, if you're unable to donate at this time, I totally understand. We still would like to connect. We are looking to grow our community. We can only grow our organization and the community part of the organization with you in our community. Please go and connect with us. Follow the link, access to a free guided meditation as a thank you gift for joining us. Bring a friend along, sign up a family member, anyone you think could benefit from a guided meditation, or just simply anybody who could benefit from our community. Wish you a happy journey.